Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paige Taylor, and here on my piece of the internet, we talk about fragrance, and more fragrance, because that's what I want to talk about. So today we have this blind unboxing. This fragrance is called Hawas, that's the brand, Hawas for her, pink. Really not sure how you pronounce that, my bad. I've never actually heard of this brand, but a friend of mine smelled it, thought it was great, thought I would love it, recommended it, and then bought it to me, shipped it to me. So we're gonna try it, we're gonna see what it is. So first, before we unbox it, let's see what it's supposed to be giving. So the description is, it is an oriental vanilla fragrance for women that is described as a sweet, spicy floral. I really don't know how I feel about that combination, but we're gonna see how it plays out. So the notes are gonna be cinnamon, nutmeg, neroli, orange blossom, marshmallow, tuberose, and then cotton candy, vanilla, and tonka bean on the base. That sounds like a lot. Cinnamon and nutmeg, I'm thinking like Thanksgiving pie, but then you throw in like neroli and tuberose, I'm thinking grandma, and then you say cotton candy and marshmallow, and then that's sweet. I don't know what the mood is, so we're just gonna open it and figure it out. Okay, so this is what the bottle looks like. I got my fingerprints on it, whatever. Anyway, very cute. I like the top on that, some cute little details in there. But as we all know, as cute as the bottle might be, you're not walking around with the bottle in your hand. So what does it smell like? So we're gonna give it a little whiff. See if it has a, oh, they got all. Oh, that was a big spray. I can smell that already. It smells really, do I like that? Maybe. It smells really sweet at first, kind of sweet. It smells sweet, but then also spicy, and then I don't know what's happening. Okay. Huh? Okay. Yeah. No, it is like it is a spicy sweet. I don't think I know how to feel. That was too much. I don't think I know how to feel about sweet, spicy, floral. I don't know if I like that combination or what. I have no idea. I don't know, but we're gonna take this and also spray it on the skin, because sometimes you spray things on the paper and you're like, oh, that smells really good. And then you spray it on your skin and it's like, wrong answer. Or it's like, oh, that smells so much better. It just really depends on your body chemistry. But at first, this smells good. I'm really conflicted. I feel like I like this. Let's see what everyone else is saying. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit and then come back to it. Okay, so online, here's what the people are saying. In terms of time of year to wear it, they're saying it's great for winter, spring, and fall. Summertime, it doesn't look like it's a big hit in the summer, probably because it's a little bit more on the spicier side, but that's just what the people on the internet are saying. In terms of day or night, it looks like people are saying you could wear it both ways. I'll see how I feel later, but this doesn't seem like a daytime fragrance to me. That's just me personally. I don't know. But overall, it seems like more people like it than not. So that says something. As it's drying down, I am smelling more of like the cinnamon and the marshmallow, which is a very interesting combination. And it doesn't smell gourmandy. Like if someone were to tell me that something smelled like cinnamon and marshmallow, I'd be thinking like campfire vibes, like fall vibes, like something delicious, maybe even like a nice drink. And that's not what this smells like. Let's just keep going. Okay, so it says it opens with a blend of neroli alongside warm notes of cinnamon and nutmeg, which creates a contrast between the brightness of the citrus and the aromatic spice. Okay. Meanwhile, the heart of the fragrance is white florals, and then orange blossom, tuberose, and the marshmallow. with the base being the cotton candy and vanilla and Tonka. So basically it should be like creamy, sugary, warm, something like that, which would make sense as to why people don't think it's a good summer fragrance, because if it's hot outside, you don't really want to be doing like creamy, sugary, warm. I mean, do what you want. That's your business. But most people don't want to do that. I'm going to get up, walk around, move around, see how it wears, see how I feel about it, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I moved around, made myself a little drinky drink, protein drink mixed with the energy drink and some water. Whatever. And I realized the more that I moved around with this fragrance, it seemed like it was just becoming stronger and stronger, which is really good if you're looking for something that has like really big projection. Like if you want to walk in a room and someone was like, I smell that, then this is a really good fragrance for that, because it projects. It really does. It projects and it lingers. Like I could smell where I had been. Which with this scent, I'm not really sure if I like all of that, because also as time went, I feel like I was smelling more of the cinnamon. Like the cinnamon became more prominent, and like the sweetness is kind of there, but the sweetness is just kind of like a fleeting chaser. Meanwhile, the main thing is just like cinnamon, nutmeg, and like some vanilla. So I mean, it's up to you. What I will say though, because it is so powerful, I would not recommend this to wear during the day to work. Like if you're in an office, I wouldn't want to be stuck in one room with this scent, because I just sprayed the one on the paper and then one on myself. But that was a really powerful like spray. That was like, it was a lot. It got the job done. And just with the two, it's just like a little bit overwhelming, honestly. So this would be good for maybe like a date night if you're going to be out moving around here, there, this restaurant, this show, this bar, this, that. It will carry, it will go with you, and you know, you won't feel like your scent has disappeared after moving around for 5 minutes, because we know that there are some scents that do that. So I think that that's good. I really think that this is a nighttime scent. I don't know who would be wearing this in the day. To each their own, but it wouldn't be me. In terms of seasons, yeah, not really. I mean, maybe a fall. I think like winter, fall. Winter, fall seems perfect. I'm not sure where people are getting the spring thing from. But this is really more of a cozy, I want to be warm and cuddly and project. And this is that. This is not a light summer fun. This is not fun. This is mature, potent stuff. Anyway, this is just, it really gives like nighttime cocktail hour, like that type of vibe. A cigar lounge, maybe like a late night, cozy, intimate something. Like that's what this is. Do not wear this to the office, please. People will be mad. It's too much. That's just my opinion. I'm giving you the warning. I'm giving you the warno. So if you decide to do something else, don't say I didn't tell you so. But it's good. I don't think that it's an expensive scent. So if it's something that seems like it's up your alley, everyone has different tastes. So if it seems like it's something that's up your alley, try it. I mean, you know, whatever. Just do what makes you happy. Okay, so that's it. That's all for this one. If you have any questions about it, if you want to know like how it wears outside or whatever it is, just let me know right in the comments and I will let you know what I think. Okay, until next time. Bye.